Hey guys, today we are going to unbox this right here. This is Samsung Q60R soundbar and it's partnered with Harman Kardon. We are going to check out all its feature and unbox it. Then let's see how's the audio quality and surround sound effect we get with this soundbar. So here in India it is available on Flipkart for 25,000 rupees, that is around 350 US dollars. If you are looking to buy a soundbar in this budget, you must check out the full video. Before unboxing, let's quickly check out its specifications. So it is a 360 watt 5.1 channel soundbar with total 8 speakers built in and has a 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer with it. And it also has both Dolby Digital and DTS surround sound support. Basically, it's a single soundbar which will give you 5.1 channel surround sound effect without using any external speaker. But if that's not enough for you, you can always buy Samsung's wireless surround sound kit that lets you expand your soundbar to a full surround sound system. Enough information for now, let's get started with the unboxing. So that was the quick unboxing of Samsung soundbar Q60R, and here is everything that we got in the box. Let me give you a closer look. So first of all, we had the soundbar with Samsung and Harman Kardon logo on the top. The looks are very good and I also like the build quality. On the back, it has micro USB, aux and optical in port, and on the other side one 4K HDR pass-through HDMI port with HDMI ARC in. Then we have a subwoofer. It's pretty big and heavy. It connects with the soundbar wirelessly and doesn't require any setup. We must get a good bass with this. Next we have power cables, one for the soundbar and other one for the subwoofer. Then there is a power brick which gets connected with the soundbar's power cable. It's a good thing that they have included a good quality HDMI cable in the box. So if you want to connect your soundbar with TV through HDMI ARC port, then you will be needing this. Then we have a micro USB to USB type A adapter. As the soundbar has a micro USB port, you can connect your normal USB drive through this. Next we have a remote. We got everything like Bluetooth pairing, volume button, woofer button, changing sound mode, etc. in this minimal design. It is almost same as my Samsung TV remote, and actually you can just use your TV remote for the soundbar if you connect it with HDMI ARC port. So the next and final thing we have is our wall mount kit. You can easily install your soundbar on wall as I'm gonna do with this. Let me set up and wall mount the soundbar now, then I'll show you how it looks with a 55-inch TV, and also let's check how it sounds like. So here's my minimal soundbar setup. The soundbar is on the front and subwoofer is on the ground on my right. Let's check the sound now. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. You won't be able to feel all the beats and surround sound effect I'm getting with this, but it's really great. As I told you before that we can control the soundbar through TV remote, it works like a charm. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave. That's all for today guys. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this Samsung Q60R soundbar. Also if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming tech videos. Thank you for watching.